Have you ever wondered how a global network connecting billions became a reality? Let's dive into the story of the internet, how it took over the world. Its impact is undeniable, shaping communication, commerce, and culture as we know it. The internet's evolution, from a military project to a ubiquitous tool, is a fascinating narrative of innovation, collaboration, and unforeseen consequences. It's a tale of visionaries and pioneers who dared to dream of a world interconnected. Early networks, like ARPANET, laid the groundwork, establishing the fundamental principles of data communication and packet switching. But the true explosion came with the World Wide Web, making the internet accessible to the masses. The advantages are obvious: instant communication across continents, access to limitless information, and the rise of global communities. Businesses thrived, economies boomed, and new forms of creativity flourished online. However, the internet also presents considerable challenges. The spread of misinformation, cybercrime, and privacy concerns are just a few of the darker sides of this digital revolution. It's a double-edged sword. Consider the personal impact. I remember my first email, a clumsy message to a friend, a tiny spark in the vast network. Now, instant messaging, social media, and video calls define how we interact. Think about the countless online communities built around shared interests, hobbies, and causes. The internet has empowered individuals and fostered global movements, but also created echo chambers and amplified existing biases. The internet's future remains unwritten. The ongoing evolution of technology, artificial intelligence, and the metaverse will shape its next chapter. We must navigate these advancements responsibly. Ultimately, the story of the internet is our story, a testament to human ingenuity and our ever-evolving relationship with technology. It's a story that continues to unfold, and its impact on our lives will only grow.